Have there been times when you were hungry and there was nothing available to eat for several days? Fortunately, your answer to the question I asked would be no. However, it is true that there are large number of people in our country, India, and even outside, who go hungry because they cannot buy food for themselves and their families. Such people suffer from many diseases, become weak, and eventually die. Thus, in order to stay healthy, we must eat wholesome and nutritious food and drink clean water. There are various reasons for many people in this world not getting the right kinds of foods. Poverty is the main culprit behind it. Poor people are not able to eat enough to meet their nutritional requirements. They also lack awareness about the nutritional content present in the food. Certain groups of people do not eat certain kinds of food because their communities or religions forbid them to do so. We sometimes get adulterated food from the market, and there are many other reasons for that. Inadequate nutritional content causes malnutrition, resulting in many diseases. Thus, we should eat a balanced diet that contains all the essential nutrients in the adequate amounts. The different types of nutrients are proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, minerals, and proteins. A diet that contains all the essential nutrients in the right amount is called a balanced diet. Let us now learn about some nutrients, their sources, and how they help us. First, let's know about proteins, also known as bodybuilding food. Milk, cheese, pulses, fish, eggs, nuts, beans, etc. are some examples of proteins. They help us to grow. Wheat, rice, potatoes, bread, sugar are some examples of carbohydrates, also known as energy-giving food, which give us energy. Oil, ghee, butter, mutton, etc. are some examples of fats, which give us energy too. Vitamins, also known as protective food, keep us healthy. Fresh fruits and vegetables are examples of vitamins. Green leafy vegetables and fruits come in the category of minerals, which protect us from several diseases. Vegetables and fruits come under the category of roughage, which helps in excretion. Deficiency diseases. A disease is a condition that does not allow our body to work properly. Diet which lacks adequate amount of essential nutrients leads to deficiency diseases. Let us listen about the effects of not eating a balanced diet. Many children in our country look pale and sick. This is because they suffer from malnutrition. They do not get enough nourishment from their diet. Malnutrition occurs in children of the age of 1 to 5 years. A children suffering from malnutrition may show all or some of the following symptoms. Develops a large belly as the stomach gets filled with air, gets sore on the skin, arms get thinner, gets tired easily, has retarded, slow and improper growth, has thin and light hair. The only way to make a malnourished child become better is to give her or him sufficient quantity of nutritious food. Now, let us know about some deficiency diseases caused by malnutrition. Night blindness. Night blindness is caused due to lack of vitamin A in the diet. A person suffering from night blindness finds it difficult to see in dim light. The eyes become dull, triangular patches appear on the white portion of the eyes, and the skin becomes dry and scaly. To prevent this disease, a diet rich in green leafy vegetables, carrots, papaya, mango, fish oil, liver, and milk should be taken. Vitamin A deficiency or VAD, together with protein and energy malnutrition, often affects the preschool children. VAD or vitamin A deficiency impairs their resistance to infections. Beriberi. Beriberi is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B in our diet. In this disease, loss of appetite occurs and the tongue becomes sour. The skin of the hands become rough and dry. Even the corners of the mouth develop cracks. To avoid this disease, a diet rich in vitamin B like cereals, pulses, whole grains, milk, tomatoes, etc. should be taken. Scurvy. Scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C in our diet. In scurvy, there is swelling and bleeding from the gums and pain in the joints. To prevent this disease, foods rich in vitamin C like oranges, grapes, lemons, amla, blackcurrant, strawberries, etc. should be taken. Rickets. Rickets is caused due to deficiency of vitamin D in our diet. In rickets, the bones become soft and easily breakable. The child becomes bow-legged. To prevent rickets, one should take a diet rich in milk. Calcium makes the bones strong. Vitamin D is also called the sunshine vitamin because it is produced in the skin when skin is exposed to sunlight. Goiter. Goiter is caused due to deficiency of iodine in our diet. People suffering from goiter develop a swelling in the neck. To prevent this disease, one should take iodized salt in her or his food and eat a lot of seafoods that are rich in iodine. Anemia. Anemia is caused due to lack of iron in our regular diet. In such a condition, the hemoglobin content of the blood gets reduced. Hemoglobin is a substance in the blood that carries oxygen. When the body gets deprived of oxygen, it is not able to get enough energy from the food. As a result, we feel tired easily and often fall sick. To avoid such a condition, we should take a diet rich in iron like apple, carrot, spinach, egg, meat, and other green leafy vegetables. The normal hemoglobin count of a child should be 13 or 14.